Hello, I'm Alexander Wroczynski, and I will graduate from St. Francis High School along with earning my Youth Apprenticeship Certificate from the state of Wisconsin in June. Over my time as a student apprentice in the GPS Ed program, I have learned how to use brake presses and punch presses. I've learned how to also safely work in a manufacturing environment. The most important lesson I've learned is attendance. You can be the best worker when you're there, but if you don't show up and call in a lot, that won't matter. Your lack of attendance will give you a lack of knowledge, as no one is going to try to teach someone who is unreliable and lacks commitment. GPS Ed was an investment in myself because in order to fully succeed in this program, I had to make some hard decisions with my surroundings and my friends. I used to be addicted to smoking, but now I can resist it and use alternative coping mechanisms to change my mindset and help me overcome issues and problems. Something I'll take from this program is that it's never too late to keep trying. I had gotten expelled on the road to dropping out and planning to earn a GED. Luckily, GPS Ed helped me realize my potential and what I had been wasting it on. Now I'm on track to graduate and working 2 jobs. Hopefully in the next year, I'll be working in Lakeside Manufacturing's assembly team on the main production line. Also going to night classes for blueprint reading and other related classes to my career field. I would like to give a thank you to everyone who has helped me along the way to get where I am now. A special thank you to my grandparents for always giving me rides. Thank you to my dad for always supporting me no matter what stage of life I'm in. Another special thank you to Sarah, somebody who's been like a second mother to me. And the biggest thank you to my instructors, Rocio and Pierre. You two have shown me what I'm worth and have given me the motivation to succeed. You guys never gave up on me. Before GPS Ed, I wasn't too fond of who I am and had no idea what my future looked like. Now, I'm proud of myself and more than satisfied with the direction my life is heading to. The best thing I can say for the younger generation of GPS Ed students is treat GPS Ed instructors with respect, because their job is to quite literally change your life to be successful. If you give them a chance, they'll do everything in their power to help you be successful. I highly recommend GPS Ed to any young teens who are struggling with finding themselves. This program has permanently changed my life for the better, and I'll never forget the people involved with my successes.